Hi guys, it's me Seisha. Welcome to my mini vlog. So we're going to Fort Myers, Florida to visit Tita Grace and Tito Mike. And maga kami umalis, 5:30 a.m. And ako ang in charge mag-drive. So after 2 up to 3 hours of driving, finally we got here. Yay! And of course, may pasalubong kami kay Tito Mike.
Star Wars again. You can walk. You can read
encyclopedia. Oh,
Wow.
Man. Oh man. This is the kind of stuff I hope,
Yeah.
Do you make a wish?
So, dahil sa wala kami magawa, so ito, nagpakit lang kami sandali. But then, we decided to go out and walk outside at walang katao-tao, ang tahimik. Kakulay niya.
Freak him out.
People doing some fishing there.
Ayan, tignan mo. There's a guy there.
Yeah. So, we are on the way to the beach, to Sunnyvale Beach. It took us 30 to 45 minutes to get there. Unfortunately, pagdating namin, ang daming no-see-um. Sobrang kati niya. So, we decided to buy some insect repellent here in Jerry's grocery. And then, after namin mag-apply, bumalik kami ulit dito sa beach and na-enjoy namin. Nag-spend kami almost 2 hours din dahil ayaw din namin masunog ang balat namin sa init. So ngayon, nag-ikot-ikot kami sa lugar. Thank you Tito Mike and Tita Grace.
Looks nice. Those that on top.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's good.
We're here at the antique shop.
Oh, let's go.
Relaxing time again, watching movies. And then, on the way home now. Thank you Tita Grace sa pag-welcome sa amin for 4 days, 3 nights. And we finally got home. Thank you for this wonderful trip.